how to fix Spotify. Something went wrong, error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify. Something went wrong, error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and then go to Spotify and go to storage and click this one here, clear cache, and clear it, and go to force stop and force stop Spotify, and here we'll find now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and go to storage and click clear cache, and then restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.